想要知道整个洛杉矶排名前5的高端公寓里是什么样的吗 ？Hello， 大家好，我是 Joey， 今天就让我和 Alice 一起带大家探索 Thea at Metropolis 公寓都有什么特别之处吧。踏入大堂的那一刻，精致与奢华扑面而来，满天星空般的水晶灯让整个空间充满层次感。简约的家具搭配个性十足的黑色装饰。大理石墙面加上木质元素的结合，既有都市感，又不会显得太过于冰冷。光影交错间，每一处都像精心设计的艺术品。踏入电梯门的瞬间，都市奢华的故事才已然开始。跟随公寓的物业经理一起来到37层，西装革履的他不仅代表了专业与品味，更展现出了对每一位客户的尊重与用心。6013 Okay, very nice. We have a good weather today. Very nice weather. 3 bedrooms for this one. How many square feet? 1323. Oh. So we have a huge closet right here. That's very nice for the ladies. Okay. Very nice kitchen area.
Yes.
Is it a refrigerator? A
Fridge?
fridge? Yeah.
The fridge is the door.
Oh, okay.
That's the fridge.
It's a hiding fridge. Oh, nice. Oh, they made it look like a cabinet.
Like a cabinet, yeah. And then the freezer is the one at the bottom.
Okay. We have another closet right here. 接下来为大家展示的是第39层的2房2.5浴室转角户型。You have all the unit ready, all the lights on.
This one is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath.
So bright.
Wow.
Wow.
Very nice.
Windows.
Oh, I like this one. You can see all the.
It's a corner unit.
It's a corner, so 2-bedroom corner unit.
Expensive.
It's cheaper than the 3-bedroom, but it's almost the same size.
Yeah.
Wow.
The difference between this one and any other 2-bedroom that we have is that both of these are master bedrooms.
Wow, look
Any
at
other
that.
2-bedroom that we have, you get a master room and you get 1 guest room, which is a smaller room. This one you have 2 masters. So that one has its own bathroom, walk-in closet, so does that.
Nice. Okay, so we have a light on this mirror. It's make you more bright. So let's go check the kitchen.
The difference, so people, the difference between this corner, they're both corner units.
Oh, yeah.
So the difference between this corner and that corner, for one, you get to see, you look all the way out, you don't have all of the high buildings blocking the view.
Oh, yes.
For 2, with the living room setup, over there, you don't have the full window.
Okay. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, so we have another huge closet right here. So once you pass the closet, you will see the beautiful bathroom.
You look, then you take this side.
And the view.
And the views from the side versus that side.
Wow, this is nice.
Take a look at, how do you think you guys look? We usually don't show penthouse unless like somebody say, "Hey, I want a penthouse." I was like, "I can take that."
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
I really appreciate it. How many penthouses do you have?
8. It changes up here in all elevators.
All of a sudden, everything changed.
You get four corner penthouses. We have those two on this floor. So 58, 5905 is already taken. 5901 is already taken, and then we have another one that's already taken on this floor.
Okay.
So this one's going to be a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 3.5 bedroom.
Wow. Oh.
Bathroom.
我们现在所在的是公寓的第58层 Penthouse， 也是最顶层的下面一层，这视野绝对是无敌的存在。
It's a bigger one than the other one, so we have one over here.
Yeah.
A lot of cabinet space here on the side. Also, there's your appliances here, so you have microwave and stove, microwave oven. And then you also have this right here.
想要了解更多详情、户型和价格，欢迎大家评论区给我们留言。
Yes.
Provide private. Wow, this is a crazy bathroom. 漂亮。So right here we have closet, huge closet.
This one you have all windows.
Yes.
In the living room. So you do have a bigger living room kitchen area in that corner. Also with the white versus the dark, it makes the room look really big.
Yes, that's correct.
看完楼上的高端公寓，不妨跟我一起来到公寓楼的共享办公区或学习区。这里不仅能为上班族提供高效的办公环境，同时也能为学生营造理想的学习天地。说到学习，我最近看到小米 CEO 雷军说过的一段话，感觉很受用，想要在这里跟大家分享。他说，如果你想干一件事儿，那就先去干，哪怕做得很烂，哪怕一点都不完美。一个粗糙的开始就是最好的开始。别等自己准备的万无一失才行动，因为根本没有完美的准备，只有在行动中不断调整和进化。那平时呢，晚上，特别是晚上，很适合跟朋友在这边一起坐着，然后烤烤肉、喝喝酒，这都是一个我们非常喜欢的一个环境。真正的成长都是在问题中摸索出来的，潜力也是在实践中被激发的。时间从不会等你，每一天都是你最年轻的一天，错过了当下，就是错过了最好的机会。不管结果如何，踏出第一步和原地踏步，你会选哪个？如果你也对 CR 公寓感兴趣，欢迎给我们留言预约看房。同时，如果你喜欢我的视频，请点赞、关注加转发给身边的朋友。感谢大家，我是专精物业管理的 Joey，我们下期见。